guys, Jenny with On Fire Fit, and this is going to be a really short video, but I will put the recipe below. Here are the ingredients that I used. I used dried split peas, which I cooked. You can also do garbanzo beans, also known as chickpeas. In this particular recipe, I didn't, but I have done so in the past. Lemon juice, tahini, salt, some mint leaves, and some garlic. And that is the ingredients. Now I cooked the split peas in the crock pot and I did it on low and slow. And then I strain out the peas so it's not too watery and put them into the Ninja. I then added about a teaspoon of the minced garlic, about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a tablespoon of tahini, about 3 or 4 leaves of mint, and a little douse of the olive oil, and then salt to taste. Grind it all up in the Ninja and then let it cool, and it turns into a little bit more of a consistency of hummus when you allow it to cool. So this is a great way to get more of a plant-based protein and more fiber in your diet. I'm always looking to try to get more vegetables and more plant-based foods in my diet, much better for you, always filled with more vitamins as well as just the stuff our body needs to thrive. So I hope that you try this recipe. If you do, let me know. Let me know if you like recipe type of videos, and I hope that you are living your life on fire.